did he go? Where's my puppy? I don't know. Is he hiding under the bed?
Nope, just my teddy bear instead.
Is he sleeping by the chair?
Nope, no puppy hiding there.
Where did my puppy go? He loves to play, I know, I know. Maybe he's outside in the yard, digging holes or running in hard. I look behind the garden gate.
I think I heard his bark.
Too late, he's chasing butterflies around. Happy tail goes round and round.
Puppy jumps and I run too.
Splish splash,
Through puddles blue.
we roll and laugh, we spin around.
Bestest friends that I have found.
Where did my puppy go? He's right here, tail wagging slow. Now he's licking my silly nose. Love you, puppy, that's how it goes.
Look at you two. Come here, let's get you
Brush his
dry.
fur so soft and clean. Shiny puppy, happy sheen. Let's sing together, don't you know?